Opposition leader reacts to latest RJR Gleaner Don Anderson polls. Country to hear about plans if they form the next government. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com, as well as to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, NWC in the line of fire from St. Mary residents, and 3 days of torture. Why residents of Mount Diablo in St. Catherine were without electricity. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. Details right after this break.